well, let's open it for sure. There we go. That's what the box looks like. And that's what the glasses look like. You guys don't know. Right. You gotta push down. Okay, there's a push down. Alright, that's the box. Okay, now the actual box. Okay, just gotta open this. So I'm wearing my Meta glasses too also. Ah, shit. Okay, so that can open like that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, shoot. Alright. So, any accessories in here? Let's check if there's any. Oh, there's no accessories in here. Oh, right here. Okay, get a booklet. That's it. What else we got here? Card. And this is probably the logo. That's pretty much it on that one. So yeah, just a card and yes. All right. Okay, enough of that one. Put that on the side. Now we got the actual glasses. Ooh. Now compared to the Meta case, this is my original Meta case, first generation. This is the Oakley. Now I could have gone with the whatchamacallit, the Ray-Ban, but you know what? I'm gonna go with the Oakley's. Pretty nice. Look at that. Nice looking case. Ooh, whew. Pretty nice. Case is nice. Okay, here's the glasses. Look at that. Look at that. Clear transition. Ooh. It's actually much lighter than the Ray-Bans. Yeah, super light. Light. Okay, you guys see it? Alright, can't wait to go outside and get that transition to gray. Side. Front. Side. Inside. Front. Side. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. What's that? Okay, that's the... Anyways, that is the Oakley Meta. Clear to gray transition. Alright, exciting time, guys. Exciting time.